Welcome. If you wonder if Motorola Edge 20 Lite from the European distribution comes with protective silicone case in the box, just take a look, I'm going to show you. So here we can find paperwork, and the silicone case we can find in this place. For sure I'm going to put it on the phone. It's easy to put it on, it covers our buttons, of course not the power key because it's linked with fingerprint sensor. But this one is also covered. We got a cutout for speakers, jack input, USB cable, and for the cameras there's the bumper that protects our cameras when we put device on the flat surface. So that's how it looks, and if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.